Assalamu alaikum beta, how are you? Welcome to Merit Virtual Learning Program Beta Ji, and I'm back again with another session of your creative science. And what are we going to do today? We are going to do the worksheets for your chapter 3, and if you remember in your previous chapter we were learning about the plants and the parts of the plants. And what are we going to do today? We are going to do a worksheet on germination of the seed. So, beta, without wasting any more time, let's move on to the seed germination. So, if you remember in our previous chapter, I already explained to you that how a seed germinates. What we basically do is that we sow a seed into the soil, and then that seed it breaks into two parts, and an embryo comes out of that seed, and one part of that embryo becomes the root, and the rest of the part of the seed becomes the shoot. So then the seed germinates again. The root, it divides into various fibrous parts for itself to absorb water and minerals from the soil. Then the shoot part, it starts moving. It gets stronger when it gets food and water and minerals, and it starts coming out of the soil, and this part is known as the cotyledon. Then later on it becomes stronger and it comes out of the soil, and slowly this becomes the shoot part, and this becomes the root part. And then we have budding, and later on the leaves, they start coming out of these shoots, and then slowly this plant grows and becomes a herb, a shrub, a tree, or whatever type of seed that you had sowed into the ground. So I hope you have understood this process of seed germination. Let's move on to our worksheet. So what is our worksheet? But you have all the process of seed germination here, and you have the pictures of the written work here as well. What you have to do is you have to take the printout of this worksheet, and you have to match the pictures with the process. Okay, here the first one is the seed absorbs water from the soil. After some time, the skin of the seed breaks a little. A small root will grow from the seed. So this is not the first process of seed germination. If there is any confusion, if you cannot understand which process is which part, you can go back to your previous picture and again revise this process, and then move on to the next picture and solve your worksheet. Okay beta, I do not want to go into the details, because if the more I go into the details, maybe I would leak out the answers. So it's better for you that you read this yourself. I'm also going to read it for you. It's not a problem, I'll read it out for you, but you will have to match the pictures with the process. Okay beta, the shoot begins to appear clearly and grows in downwards. The bud starts growing upwards. This young plant is now known as a seedling. Again, you have to match this process with the picture. The stem grows above the soil. The shoot and first leaves appear. The roots grow longer. More leaves will grow to help the plant to make food. More roots will grow to help it to absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Soon it will become an adult plant with flowers and fruits. Okay beta, when you have matched the pictures with the details, what you have to do, you have to arrange it according to the seed germination process, and you have to write these in order on the back side of your worksheet. And you have to send those worksheets for checking, inshallah ta'ala, when the school opens after the Eid break, and I'll check this and I'll give you marks accordingly. Okay beta? Okay, now we have another worksheet as well. Now this worksheet is practical as well beta. ओके, ये प्रैक्टिकल भी है. ये प्रैक्टिकल इस तरह से है कि ये वर्कशीट आप बाहर निकालोगे, प्रिंट आउट निकाल के अपने पास रखोगे, आप एक पॉट लोगे, ठीक है, उसके अंदर मिट्टी डालोगे, और ये तमाम प्रोसेस आपने पॉट में करते जाना है, और उसका रिज़ल्ट यहाँ पर मेंशन करते जाना है कि क्या आया, उसका रिज़ल्ट ऐसा ही निकल रहा है जैसा कि इस पिक्चर में मेंशन है कि नहीं, ठीक है. और इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू टेक यू लॉन्ग. सर्टेन सीड्स दे टेक ओनली अ वीक to germinate. And one of the simplest example that I can give you is of bean. Bean बहुत जल्दी germinate करता है. तो आप एक bean ले लें, जिसे हम लोबिया कहते हैं, ठीक है. एक bean ले लें, white वाला bean ले लें, उसको लेके एक pot ले लें. उस pot में आप उसको मट्टी डालें, मट्टी डाल के उसके अंदर आप उस seed को sow करें, उस bean को sow करें, और आहिस्ता आहिस्ता आप देखेंगे कि ये तमाम प्रोसेस जो है हो रही होगी. जब भी आपकी वो प्रोसेस होती है, यहाँ डेट भी मेंशन करें आपने कब सो किया और कब आपका जो है प्लांट इन तमाम प्रोसेस से गुजरा. और इस वर्कशीट को भी इंशाल्लाह आप अपने साथ जो है, मतलब अपने वर्क के साथ आप मुझे सेंड कीजिएगा इंशाल्लाह, एंड आई विल गिव यू मार्क्स अकॉर्डिंगली बेटा. ओके, with this we come to the end of this session. It's not a very lengthy work or something like that. बहुत interesting work है, आप लोग enjoy करोगे इंशाल्लाह ताला, and बहुत अच्छे results इंशाल्लाह आपके निकलेंगे इस चीज़ के. And with this, without wasting any more of your time or anything like that, it's very precious time, the last days of Ramadan, and enjoy your time, prepare for your Eid, have a nice time, okay, and prepare your Eid with the SOPs, okay, or we'll meet again inshallah very soon. Till then, have a nice day, have a nice Ramadan, enjoy yourself, pray for yourself, for your family, for your school, for me, for everybody, for all the Muslims around the world, or we'll meet soon inshallah. And till then, have a nice day, enjoy yourself again. Allah Hafiz.